Water was channeled through underground tunnels beneath the arena and directed into concealed pipes below the Colosseum floor. Workers then removed the wooden platform, revealing a large open space underneath. Once everything was ready, the valves were released, allowing water to surge in and fill the basin deep enough for small warships to float. Spectators packed the stands, eagerly watching as fighters battled from the ships in brutal combat until most had fallen. After the spectacle ended, the water was drained through large outlets along the edges, flowing back into the underground passageways and clearing the arena within hours. Finally, the workers restored the wooden floor, covered it with sand, and prepared the Colosseum for the next event.
Follow Untold Pages for more real and shocking stories.